Hey, what's going on everybody? I have the 034 front, upper, and lower control arm kit, plus the front sway bar and links just to go on. I ended up going with 034 on this one just because of spherical. I'm just not into that for my car. But we'll see how this plays out soon. I'll go ahead and unbox everything and just see the quality of the boxing really. I've pre-popped some of these tabs obviously because I'm not very good at doing that with gloves. Okay, so this is going to be a rear control arm. This is made by 034. This is the left side, obviously. Nice solid rubber bushings. No more slop. See, that looks pretty good. There. Some thrust arms. Correct. Boot on that one. That may have been my fault from when I was putting it back in there, so I can't knock 034. Well, can't really see too well, but solid. There's some voids in there, but doesn't feel like a ton, just enough needed. Boots for me. Alright, so there you have it. I guess I can go ahead and show you this link kit here. So they cut this out. Pretty basic metal parts and links. So works for me. And a pinch. Get it? Because upper control arm. Pinch. Oh, yep. Alright, so it's all unboxed. Well, I wouldn't say all unboxed, but mostly unboxed so I can show you guys, and ladies, and whoever else out there. Let me go ahead and get started. And hopefully I get this finished tonight.